Hello, my good friend. How are you doing? You're welcome to Strategy and Capacity Development class. Our discussion today is centered on circle of friends or clique of friends. We have friends all over and everywhere, and our emphasis here is as it concerns the young people. There is this expression that says, "Show me your friend, and I will tell you who you are." You know, your friend matters. There could be good or bad friends. You know, we make friends, physical friends, and social media friends. Some of them we get to know, some we never get to know. And some have helped our lives, some have contributed in the destruction of certain lives. Therefore, making a good choice of our friends and who you call your friends matter a lot. It is written that young people who obey the law are wise. Young people who are careful in choosing their friends are wise. Those who are careless and who don't mind who their friends are, who have wild friends, bring shame to their parents. It's also written that evil communication corrupts good manners. Evil relationship and friendship corrupts good manners. Bad company corrupts good character. Bad company corrupts good character. So it's interesting we consider who our friends are. Peer groups and peer pressures contribute a lot in what happens in a person's life. Influences from our friends matter a lot. I watched a clip on television recently of a young man who was on a contest in for a contest who wants to be a millionaire, and he was asked a question after he had made it at 5 million. He has answered a 5 million question, and he was asked a question that will land him in 10 million naira. And if he had failed in that question, he will find himself in 250,000 from 5 million naira. So when he found it difficult answering that particular question, he had to request to speak with a friend, that a friend should be called, or one of his cousins. That person was called, and the question was thrown to the person. The person immediately, in 10 seconds, at the last minute or few seconds, the last few seconds, gave him an answer and dropped that answer and said the answer the person is a Nobel Prize winner. He believed, the person on hot seat immediately believed the answer given to him by his friend, and he insisted. With that answer and that insistence, the young man made 10 million naira. And that got me thinking, that got me wondering, that got me excited. I was like, who are my friends? Who are your friends? Do you have knowledgeable friends or ignorant friends? Friends who don't have anything upstairs? Friends who don't think positive? Friends who cannot contribute positively to your life and to your future? It's important you consider who your friends are and how reliable and trustworthy your friends could be, how they will help in bringing the best out of your life and best your way. Very important. Therefore, in friendship, or as it concerns friendship, there could be 3 results. Our friends, who your friends are, brings about 3 facts, or whom you be in life, where you get to in life, is determined. Your friendship determines these 3. Number 1, your friendship determines the direction of your life. Number 2, your friendship determines decisions you make in your life. And number 3, your friendship determines the destination of your life, where you will eventually end, your arrival point. Okay? Destination, your takeoff, and your arrival. Very important. The direction, very important. That is your focus in life and decisions you make. Very important. Consider your friends. Take time to choose your friends. Make no mistake about your friends, and don't allow yourself to get influenced widely, negatively, or you start living prodigal life, making mistakes, falling into errors, mistakes and regrets of your life. it doesn't help. It doesn't improve or build your capacity. It destroys it. It weakens your confidence and your security for the future. So your friends, it's important. Choose them wisely. Choose them strategically, and your friends will help to bring you where you should be, fulfilling your destiny. Thank you. See you again in our next class.